Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to write neatly on Microsoft Whiteboard with mouse. So first thing that I would recommend is just simply going for the pencil icon and just simply select on your pen and make sure you go onto the biggest one so you won't have any issue. So in order for you to write neatly, I recommend going slow. Let's say I'm gonna go for best. As you can see, the slower you do it is the better the font will be. And after that, if you want to make it precise, guys, just do it slower. Just simply do it slower, of course. And you can also use the ruler over here as well on the ink icon. And as you can see, we could use this ruler to identify if the writing is straight. And from here, just simply follow the guide, of course, and make the best effort that you could do in order for you to write neatly. Another option that you have is selecting the settings icon, the top right corner of the screen, and going for the format background. And from here, you could go for dots, or for example, square, or you could go for wide rule over here, or narrower rule. So this will be depending on you, but I recommend going for the wide rule over here. So you could just simply zoom in and use the lines to guide you. And as you can see, we should be able to do our best over here. And now when you want to turn it off, just simply go for the gear icon again, format background, and go for the solid, and you will have this output over here. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.